Hello and welcome. So we're going to use Apache's OpenWhisk to create our application. Definitely along with Bluemix and Amazon Alexa and IBM's Watson. So what is OpenWhisk? So this OpenWhisk things gives you awesome collection of building blocks and a nice toolbox to create scalable solutions. And these solutions are for event-driven solutions too. So didn't understand the heck did I just say? So okay, I'll go word by word. So OpenWhisk is a cloud-first distributed event-based programming service. So it's based on the cloud. That means you don't have to download anything on the machine. The code, the application, it is deployed on the cloud. All right. Event-based programming service. So your programs and the softwares you write, they're all event-based. When one thing happens, the other thing is triggered. In OpenWhisk, they are called actions. That's the terminology, especially related to the OpenWhisk. So event-based is what I would say, like you're in a car and it starts to rain. So rain is an event here, and then you switch on the wipers of the car. So that's your event-based programming. So the action is the rain, the event is the rain, and the action is you turn on the wipers. So it represents an event action platform that allows you to execute code in response to an event. All right, cool enough? So OpenWhisk provides you with a serverless deployment. Okay, wait. What is serverless? Serverless is a very famous, a very modern kind of an architecture. This is basically your architecture in which you have to depend on a third party, okay, a backend service. So like here, our backend service is OpenWhisk. We could have also used Amazon Web Services Lambda. Apparently, they call it the best, but then it's definitely much easier for a developer to work on OpenWhisk than to work on Lambda. So that's basically the gist of serverless architecture is. That means you don't have to give a server based code right onto your machine. There's a server somewhere else. Okay, so it's technically serverless on the face of it, but there's definitely a server, and here the server we are using is of OpenWhisk. So serverless deployment and operational model, hiding infrastructural complexity and allowing you to simply provide the code you want us to execute. So it would definitely hide all the complex stuff of the software. Like consider like an aircraft. So you only see what the aircraft looks like. You don't know what's inside of it, like the little particles. Not they're not little definitely, but like the engine and what's inside the engine and what's inside and stuff like that. So it hides everything that's complex, and on the face of it, it makes it very simple looking and very elegant. Then it provides you with a fair pricing model. I mean, they're not gonna like take all your money, but definitely if you're gonna make money out of OpenWhisk, then IBM's gonna want money. So this is basically OpenWhisk. You can code in Node.js or Swift or anything you like, stuff like that. Okay, so that's why we'll be using OpenWhisk here, and we'll be using three stuff from the IBM from IBM, like Bluemix, Watson, and OpenWhisk. Wow, that's a lot of IBM in a video. But next thing is what we get down to the real action. All right, thanks.